There it goes. I didn't even scratch it any. So obviously you want the lip facing out because that's what the axle is going to go through, and then seal on this. That's the back side. It goes in like that. You know what? I don't even think I'm gonna need. Oh, maybe I will. I don't even think I need to pound that in. I think I just push that in by hand. I will double check that to see how flush that is, but that looks. Let's see that. That's nuts. I think I just pushed that in my hand.
Do it again. Do it again.
Do it again. Do it again.
Did you want to keep that in the car?
Like, click and subscribe.
Did you want to